Yo, so here's what's happened in my house lately. Me and Kevin Hart had a fun war.
Your hands are sweating, man.
Me and Joey Essex had an argument.
You shut up. Shut up.
And Brandy popped in, innit?
Everybody, I'm Brandy, and you know when I'm in the UK, I gotta come to Hussein's house and make myself at home.
So I only think it's right, yeah, that I invite all of you lot round to my house.
Sunday the 10th of November. Hussein...
Okay, bro, I'm going to tell them, innit? So yeah, Sunday 10th of November, my house goes live and you're all invited. And this is who else is coming around. Waterloo Road actress turned female MC, Paigey Cakey. Funny man Kojo. My Brother the Devil actor, Fadi El Saeed. Live performances from Brit School graduate J Soul, Grime veteran D-Dark, and Manchester's Blizzard.
Yo, my name is Joe. Don't live in Hackney, don't live in Bow. I live in Essex. I'm going to my mate Hussein's house. What he said.
Subscribe to Hussein's house now. If you don't, well, you don't then, do you?